Pretty day out today, and as I'm setting out here, taking a chance by feeding the birds. I'm not supposed to do that, but I threw a bunch of bread out here and sitting out on the porch watching them. And I just kind of noticed they'll look around for a while, kind of scope me out, come down and snag a piece of bread and fly off with it really quick because they're, of course, afraid of me. Well, we're kind of that way with God. He feeds us, takes care of us, and He watches us for His joy. Yet we run. We grab the gifts He gave us and run, never thanking Him, never showing any gratitude, just snagging it and running, not realizing it was God Himself who gives us those gifts. Just like the birds, they don't realize I'm the one that's feeding them. I'm the one keeping them alive and their babies. Yet they run from me because they don't know me. They knew my mother because she's fed them years and years and years. And they would come down and light on her shoulders and on her hands and eat. That's like the people that knows God. They know where the gifts come from and they thank Him. They show the gratitude to the person that feeds them. So anyway, that's what I kind of needed to say. Enjoy.